Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a new function in Microsoft Loop named Recap. With this new function you will be able to keep track about changes of your colleagues in Loop pages. Okay, let's get started. Let's go. Here I have Microsoft Loop open. I have this meeting series page opened. Let me close the left panel so we can see better the page. Now I'm going to paste some content that I have in my clipboard. So what I'm going to do now, on the upper corner, clicking on the ellipsis button, I'm going to use now this new function called Recap. This will open a panel on the right, and as you can see here, you have recap changes, get summaries of changes you have made in your workspace with the power of AI. So you have the ability to mention teammates, and you can also use the power of AI to keep track of changes. Now, I want to add a new recap here because I added content in this page. And so I'm going to mention now Adele events. So I added some content to get started. All right, so now I'm going to post this recap, and this is now added. Changing perspective, now I'm impersonating Adele events. I am on the same page, and on the notification panel I have that Giuliano mentioned me in the recap panel. So here I can see a little circle next to the ellipsis button, and this is the new function available. Now here I can see that Giuliano changed something, and here I can see the recap and the text that Giuliano added. So what I'm going to do now is adding more content. I'm ready to add additional content with Adele events. There we go. I added some text and link. And now I'm ready to invoke the recap function. So let me open again this panel and let me create a new recap. Immediately, the AI function will be invoked for you, so Copilot will generate the change that you made on the page on behalf of you. And this is very cool if you don't want to spend time in writing exactly the change that you have done on the page. There we go, I have the result finally, and Copilot suggests me the changes that I made to this loop page so far. So here I can decide to post immediately, or I can also mention my colleague Diego Siciliani. And now let's post this one. So as you can see, every recap is listed here. It's very easy to follow up and see the collaboration, how is growing and working on a loop page with this nice feature called recap. Here I am with Diego Siciliani, and opening the right workspace with the page, I can see one notification here for this specific page, and then I can see that Adele mentioned me in a recap. So here I can open the recap, and then I can see the last mention by Adele events. Now, assuming that I will add my part on this page by going at the very bottom, I will add additional text with a new paragraph, and now I can do the same as Diego Siciliani, collaborating on this page, create new recap, and now I can ask to Copilot to wrap up what I have done on this specific page. And now Copilot right here, add the title Microsoft Loop transforming the way we work together, add the description, add the heading, so it's pretty precise. So here I can of course review every point of this bullet list, and I can add my thoughts, or I can add an additional description if I want, but it's fine, so let me post it. So as you can see now, it's very easy to follow up on every change in a loop page using the new recap experience powered by AI. Another useful functionality is the ability clicking on create new recap and clicking on this icon next to recap your changes with AI. You are able to filter or narrow down the time. Recent changes, you want to maybe highlight the changes in the last hour. Let's do that. And people, so everyone or me. So this is another nice option to help AI to write the right description for you. So you can keep track of everyone changes or only me in the last hour or yesterday or in the last 7 days. And Copilot will wrap up and generate the summary and the description for you. Last thing that I would like to call out is the ability to re-edit existing recap post or delete it. Let me go on one that I created as Giuliano, and I have the option to edit this one, so I can change the description here or improve the description that I added, and moreover I can even delete it. And this is of course always tracked via version history, so every user will be able to restore a previous version of the loop page. Alright, we have seen how to stay on top of changes in Microsoft Loop. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and like. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think about this feature, and if you want to see more video like this one, write Loop. Okay, I hope to see you next time. Bye.